plasma event is just the sun is going to, and the sky is going to, and the realm is going to change energy systems. That's how it works. Yeah. That's why there's a clock to it, the great cosmic clock. And so you have like Saturn and all of this, the timekeeper. Is he going to exist in the next realm too? He, the personification of an energy.
Our final topic is what happens when you have too much charge. You can't charge something up forever.
You think I'm crazy? Huh? Is that what he told you? Well, listen up! There is a storm coming! Like nothing you have ever seen! And not a one of you is prepared for it!
Certain buildings. Others will not be. I don't think you want to be in an aluminum can. Yeah, so you want to clean your brain so you don't get fried, and that the system's upgrading in every way. Plasma out there changing the. Some people think the sun is going to basically come to a slow stop and then go the other way, like pendulum and everything's moving in the opposite direction. And that at that point there'll be, 3 days of darkness perhaps, or 3 days of complete light, depending on where the sun and the moon stop. See that? So as the system is reversing its engine, because it's a pendulum, you're getting the energy out of this wild pendulum that takes us through all of the ages. And as soon as we get to this point, it slows down and then comes back down. And that's what's essentially going to happen with the sun and the moon. And during that time, which will take apparently some people say 3 days. It's 3 days of that thing. Portals will open to other realms.
You think I'm crazy? Hey! I'm talking to you, Russell! Huh? Really? You think I'm a thief?
We live inside what appears to be the second realm. Well, it's the third. The first realm is where Mercury resides. That's why Mercury's androgynous. It's a dual. It's the sun and moon itself. And then you have the next realm out. So that place, that was where everything, that's where people came from as basically androgynous beings. They knew nothing of separation from those two energies. And then they went out one realm, and that realm is now what you call the Aryan realm. I've told the story many times, and I think it's pretty accurate. The bricks and buildings into resonators. Oh, yeah, there you go. That seems exactly about right. I see, Gary. I don't know. I think that's man, that's tough. I don't know. Some people say stay out in cities because they want to turn everything into a smart city and blah 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 blah. I mean, it might be good to be in a just find the old buildings. Find one of those. You probably have some around you. You just you don't have to go into a city per se. You could just go find a temple. Find a. Can you walk into the Freemason temples? Scottish Rite. I mean, they seem to be pretty old. They seem to have survived. They go into any building with really big doors. Churches, probably safe. I would not be in a stadium. Don't do that. Find the oldest buildings you can. Those are probably the ones that will work through the plasma.